Okay, welcome to ProServe 2012 training videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your program to the latest update, and also give you a look at the new support website. If you want to just click this to open up a browser. Now, this may not open up your favorite browser, but this is the new support website. So you've got your updates, and then your training videos here, and then downloads here. But normally you don't need anything here, and you don't really need to download anything from here unless you're instructed to do so. So we'll go back to the home page. Or what I like to do is I don't necessarily like that browser that it cranks up, and I can't help that. It basically defaults to the Windows Internet Explorer instead of Edge. So what I do is I just copy this link, and I did that by highlighting it and then selected Control-C on my keyboard. Now I can open up Microsoft Edge and get in my address bar and then do Control-V, and basically copy that. Then I can open this up, and then what you can do then is just save it in your favorites, and that way you never really have to crank it up from here anymore. You just crank up your favorite browser and then go click your favorites and go into the support site. So here's how we're going to update. I'm just going to drop that down. And what I want to do, I want to pay attention to this down here, because this is telling me what is the latest update. And I've just released an update today. And this version that I'm running is 2.016, so it's an older version. So now I can download and install this latest version. Now, something that's important, and we're going to see that later, but you want to make sure you're running the second gen. So if you see this ProServe 2012 logo, make sure you're running the second gen. So you can click that or go there, which I did. I'm just going to bring that web page back up, which puts me here. So once I get on this support page, I just click updates, and then this is kind of showing me again, how I can look and see and compare my version to the latest version. So that's what all that is. And again, make sure you're running Gen 2. And if you're not running Gen 2, you're going to need to browse down to the bottom. My screen got away from me there. You're going to have to, you can come down here and click this if you're running the 1 series. That's the older version. And the latest update is actually 1.045, and that was build date February the 4th, 2019. So I'm really not doing anything else with that program. So if you're still running the old Series 1 version, you might want to click this link and read about how to upgrade to the G2. So we're running the G2, that's what I'm running. So I'm just going to click this link. It's going to open up a new tab. And then the thing I want to do next is I want to go back to my ProServe program, because what I've got to do, I need to exit, because if I don't, when I try to install this, I'm going to get this error right here if I'm still running ProServe 2012. So you want to shut that down at this point. And then go ahead and just click this link. And I'm going to try to bring this stuff down. Here's my download right here. Now, if you're running Windows Microsoft Edge, then you'll need to, have the program keep it Don't delete it. Click more, keep anyway, and then you can finally get it, and then you can click open file. Then you have to say more information, run anyway, so that I'm running it. And it tells me, kind of what it is. And you want to verify that version, 17. So I'm just going to click this. Now normally you shouldn't have to change this folder, but I'm going to have to because my ProServe is not defaulted on the C drive. I'm on a D drive and I'm actually in a test mode here. So I've got to change this, and normally you don't have to, but this is what I've got to do. Okay, then I'm going to unzip, then I'm going to close that down, then I can close my browser down. I'm going to crank up ProServe again and log on, and it's going to run an update, and if you may run several. Okay, so now I'm running 2.017, and so I'm matched up with this one, and so I have just updated ProServe. Okay, and make sure now that you're running second gen. Don't install the second gen on the previous 1 series. Okay, so that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.